this is it. This is our 96 Winnebago Brave. I've actually owned this motorhome since 2005. It's a 1996. Been a good one. It's actually set for the last, probably, unfortunately, the last 2 years. And we've got the itch to do a little camping again. And of course, I have a video business that I do a lot of truck and tractor pulling all summer long. And I'll probably be getting this. I don't know if it'll be this year in 2021, but definitely 2022. We got some renovation stuff we're going to do, if you will, some fixing up here and there, and mainly go over the braking system. The front was done about 3.5–4 years ago, so I know all that's pretty good other than cleaning the slides, the brake slides. But the rear, we're going to go over and redo everything just to make sure we're good. Everything mechanically still works. Rear view camera I put on. I used to tow a trailer, but I don't tow that any longer. But all the awnings are in pretty decent shape. I'll probably replace them eventually. The only thing I don't like about the motorhome, doesn't have a slide, so that's the only thing I don't like. It kind of cramps you up a little bit on the interior, but it's not bad. It's doable. There's only a couple of you in there using it, so. But we're gonna do some upgrades inside. Some of my new LED lighting has arrived. I'm going to redo some of that stuff, and you'll see there's a, a major ceiling renovation to do inside. It is a Winnebago, and anybody who's had Winnebagos know anything about them is their interior headliners like to separate from the foam and fall. So yes, I have that to take care of. Another thing that always bothered me about this, whoever put this awning on, I don't know if it was a dealer way back whenever, but they just bolted these bottom brackets directly over this side molding. They make a bracket that goes here that spans that this bolts to. I've ordered them, so I'm going to be putting them on, so that'll be fixed properly. But it's just some stuff to take care of and get fixed up. The generator's probably 4 to 5 years old. I replaced that. Got a good deal on one. The other one would run but would not produce electricity, so I just replaced it. Got a good deal on it, so new Cummins Onan. We had a blowout several years ago. We had some, I'll call it minor body damage down here. You really got to look for it to see it. But of course, obviously, I got to take care of the tailpipes. Is a little pancaked. But all in all, it's in really good shape. Runs good. It's got the 460 Ford in it. So we're going to fix her up, go camping. Never really used it for camping too often much. I always used it for the business, the video business, and truck and tractor pulling. Sometimes we're 3 and 4 hours from home or better. So we would use it then. But I've since parked it because it did some carpooling with a couple other people that work the events, and never really did much with the motorhome. But now we want to camp some. Now that we're getting older, we want to enjoy it. So, and here's those brackets I was talking to you about the awning. I'm going to be putting them on, and they actually span that side molding, and then this plate bolts to this face right here. This plate here will bolt to this face. So you have to excuse me. I'm not good with a cell phone. I can film with a video camera, but which is probably what I'll probably start using. But I think we'll make a few videos here and there as we go to fix this thing up. So, but here it has the outside stereo system and the shelf that hooks there. Propane, large compartments in the back. It passes all the way through. Large compartments here. It's probably full of junk. Yeah, that we'll be cleaning out and redoing the bottoms and those. They're still in good shape. They just need cleaned up and painted. Had to replace this mirror. Just did that not too long ago. So, but looking forward to it. Getting her cleaned up and getting her back out and running the roads again. It's always been fun. Down the road, I would like to have a motorhome with a slide out, but for the time being, we're just going to do a little groovy stuff with this one and get it fixed up and enjoy it. It's in good shape. Shine her up again and make sure all the mechanicals are good, which they are. Just like I said, we'll go over the braking system from sitting. New tires, and that's really about it. It should be pretty much ready to go. And just go over, like I say, go over some upgrades and stuff, and we'll be having fun in it again. So I'll probably be posting some more videos eventually as we go along, especially when I redo that. I'll probably start in the bedroom ceiling, and you'll see why later in the videos. So, but gotta love Winnebago ceilings, headliner. So we'll go inside, check things out. So we've come inside the RV, and as you can see, it's not too, well, maybe it is if you really look, how this wonderful headliner, it's just like an old car headliner. They will delaminate from the foam and start to fall. And when I get back here to the bedroom ceiling, you'll see what I'm saying. But I'll probably let this go for now out here. It really doesn't bother me too much. But if it gets any lower, then it's coming down. But we're probably going to use FRP board to redo the ceiling with. So carpentry skills helps there. But I guess I'm going to update all the lighting in here with LED lighting. Microwave and everything still works good. 3-burner stove. It's dirty. This place needs cleaned up. It's been sitting for, like I say, 1.5 to 2 years. But we're going to put some lighting in the closets so we can see what we're doing. And there's our wonderful bedroom ceiling. That this is not water damage. It always sits inside when it's not in use. But this is just a typical Winnebago headliner that comes loose from the foam, and that's the end of it. You can try to re-glue it. I've seen good and bad, more bad than good about doing it that way, so we're not going to mess with it. I'm just going to cut it out of here, cover everything up with plastic, scrape it down, and like I say, put new fiberglass FRP boarding up, so which will be fine. And there's some other things to change. We're going to change the bed lighting and stuff. One light doesn't work any longer. Bathroom's all decent shape. Again, all new lighting coming. We're going to put all new LED lighting in here. The basin's cracked years ago, and I fixed that, so and it doesn't leak anymore. Fan works good, so I've had to repair that. The only thing that did leak, water damage wise, was the stupid skylight over top the shower. But I fixed that, all new wood up in there and stuff, and it wasn't that bad, but it was sagging down, so I got that all fixed up too. So what I really liked about this motorhome was a major selling point for me years ago was the fact that you close this door and you close this door, and the whole center of the motorhome becomes one big bathroom. I don't know if I can zoom out far enough, probably not, but the whole center of the motorhome becomes one big room, a bathroom. So it's pretty cool. That was the main selling point for me years ago. So, but and I'm going to redo the floor. I've got a soft spot in the floor here from where that stupid skylight leaked. Right here, you see I have a metal plate over it right now. I'm going to tear this linoleum up, probably tear that carpet up and take it out of here all the way up to the driver's compartment area that you see up there, and I'll put laminate wood flooring in here, something that matches the cabinetry and stuff. I notice a lot of people repaint their cabinets white and stuff, try to modernize stuff, but personally I like the look of the oak in here, and I'm going to keep it that way. So fridge still works good, thank goodness. That would be a big expense if it didn't. But that's just we're still up in the air about the couch, the jackknife sofa. We're thinking about taking that out and putting something else in there, but unfortunately this motorhome doesn't have a slide out, and you're pretty close to the dinette as it is. So we got to be careful on the reclining part of it. So I don't know if we'll get a better jackknife sofa that is a little more comfortable and we'll work the same way, or if we can find something and manage to get it to recline. And I'm going to get rid of that TV up there. That's a real head knocker. If you've ever been in one of these motorhomes, you will knock yourself to see stars if you're not careful when you get in and out of the seats. But over here over the dinette, I'm going to rig up get a bracket to actually hang down underneath the counter, or the cabinet itself, to hold a flat screen TV. And of course I'll take care of the electrical work. I'll pull the bottom of that cabinet out and wire it properly for stuff, and it'll be 12 volt or 120. So we're going to get a TV that does both, so that way we can sit on our sofa here and look directly across at our TV when we actually do use this for camping instead of truck and tractor pulling. So But it's going to be a fun project. It ain't going to be nothing done quick. It's not a money thing. It's just a time thing, and we're in no hurry. And it's just about pulling season, so we'll be pretty busy filming and stuff. So, but it's going to be a fun little venture here. Fix her back up, and I really considered getting rid of it and getting a pull-behind trailer or another motorhome with a slide out. And that could be in our future plans, but for now we're going to fix this one up and make it nice again. And it's still nice, just tidy it up some, fix some things, update some things, and make it fun again.